So now we will see the next news. The next news is about gold price. Gold price suddenly dropped from rupees 56,000 per gram to rupees 48,000 per gram. Now, why did the gold price drop suddenly? Due to the first reason is due to less purchasing of gold. As the people, as the people who purchase gold, if their number is been reduced, automatically the gold price will be reduced so that the people will buy more gold. Second, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell also indicated that he still regards a spike in inflation as temporary and offered no signal on when the central bank plans to cut its assets purchases beyond saying it will be this year. Moreover, rising coronavirus cases could drive expectation that the US Federal Reserve might delay tempering of economic support and lend support to gold. Slightly weak US businesses activity in August also lent support to bullion. The next news is about North Korea. North Korea is in process to produce weapon grade plutonium. Now, the reason is why North Korea is producing weapon grade plutonium. See, it is not having any threat from any country. So then also why it is producing this new weapons, as now it has produced weapon grade plutonium. See, the first reason is that it want to become superpower. The first reason is that it want to become superpower, so that is why it is developing such types of weapons. The second is that as the government there has introduced many rules for the people, and some of them are against human rights. See, the president or prime minister, we can say, of North Korea is Kim Jong. There in North Korea is dictatorship. See, this Kim Jong is harassing the people. He has implemented new rules which are against human rights. See, the we can see one or two examples of the rules. See, the first one is that if a person breaks traffic signal or traffic rule, he will be put on to death or he will be shot out. Second is that no one will use internet, Google. They will use only the app which is developed by North Korea. Third, there is a radio in their home, and if they switch off that radio, the person, his whole family and next generation will be put in prison. So, like these types of harass rule are been going on in North Korea. Some have tried to escape from North Korea. Some are successful, but some were shot out at the end. So now, as they have developed such types of rule or dangerous rule, we can say, US and some other country are protesting against them. See, US and some other countries, including India, Russia, Canada, and we can see the whole world except China are against them. So, in future, if any case, any country or country's alliance tries to attack it, they should have a proper weapon to fight against them. See, basically in army, every country thinks about future planning. They thinks next 10 to 20 years. So North Korea saw that after 10 to 20 years, they will be attacked by many countries. So to have a strong base power, they are inventing such types of weapons. Now, the third reason is also like that. See, North Korea's only friend is China, and as we all know that China has, we can say that China has invented or leaked out coronavirus. Also, it is trying to capture Taiwan. Also, it is supporting Taliban, and the whole world is against China. So, to support China, this North Korea is developing weapon grade plutonium. This can also be the reason. So, thank you. This presentation was been made by Squadron Thunderbirds.